PMGC Holdings Inc. is navigating a period of stock price volatility as it continues to aggressively expand in the aerospace and defense sectors. Shares of the Nasdaq-listed company recently closed at 1.99, down 3.4% amid midday trading weakness following morning volatility. This decline comes despite a strong financial performance and a newly secured $40 million equity facility aimed at fueling strategic growth through acquisitions. The stock's dip contrasts with a first quarter 2026 financial report that highlights significant progress in asset growth, liquidity, and operational expansion. PMGC Holdings has nearly doubled its asset base, reaching $26 million by the end of March 2026, a 102% increase from the $12.87 million reported at the end of 2025. This rapid growth is largely attributed to financing initiatives and a series of strategic acquisitions, including the recent purchase of A&B Aerospace. The acquisition brought valuable Tier 1 customer relationships and a positive. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Cash flow, strengthening the company's defense technology portfolio and aerospace manufacturing capabilities. Shareholder equity also saw a notable rise, climbing to $12.6 million from $7.84 million at the end of the previous year. Meanwhile, the company's cash and equivalents reached a record high of $14.4 million, and net working capital increased to $5.1 million from $2.9 million previously. These figures suggest a strong liquidity position and financial flexibility that the company is now leveraging to pursue further M&A activity. The newly secured $40 million capital facility is expected to provide the necessary funding for continued expansion and acquisition efforts. This strategic move underscores PMGC Holdings' commitment to scaling rapidly in a competitive and capital-intensive industry. The aerospace and defense sector is known for its high barriers to entry and intense competition, making financial strength and strategic positioning critical for long-term success. PMGC Holdings appears to be positioning itself to capitalize on industry opportunities through a combination of asset growth, cash flow generation, and targeted acquisitions. However, the recent stock decline suggests some investor caution. While the company's financial metrics are robust, market sentiment and broader economic factors can influence stock price movements. Investors are likely evaluating the short-term volatility against the company's long-term growth strategy. The next key signal to watch is whether the $40 million funding facility will lead to new acquisitions. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Or expansion projects that could further boost revenue and asset growth. The company's ability to execute on its M&A strategy and maintain consistent financial performance will be crucial in determining future stock direction. For now, the story of PMGC Holdings is one of financial strength and strategic ambition, even as market dynamics introduce short-term uncertainty. The company's next financial disclosure and any new acquisition announcements will be important indicators of its progress and investor confidence.